Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create this super amazing double exposure magazine cover in Filmora 12. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. First drop your silhouette image on timeline, then go to the titles and drop default title on timeline and match its duration with your image duration. Then change font color to black and font to Vogue regular. Then enter your main title, click on advanced, increase main title size and place it on top or any suitable position. Then increase text spacing, again adjust the title size, then add another title, enter your word, adjust its scale and place it on its position. Then select this title, then add another title and again enter your word and place it. Repeat the same step to create more text same as magazine cover style and place them according to your design. Then change the font to D Valencia and reduce text size and decrease text spacing and place it under the main title in center. Then increase the text spacing and match it with the main title. Add another text with D Valencia font. Enter your word and place it above the main title. Then create another title and make it month and year title and place it under the double exposure word. Then click OK. Now again drop the default title, place it on its position, change font to any bold font, then enter your word, click on advanced, change text spacing, place it at its position, duplicate it and enter your word. Change font to thin or light font and place it under the word modern. Now duplicate modern word and keep letter M and change font color to black. And place it on white M font. Let's increase the modern word size and letter M size and adjust the position. Do further changes accordingly. Then select all the clips and shift them one track above. Then apply your video clip on track 1. Select your silhouette image and change its blend mode. You can choose between lighten, screen, color dodge or linear dodge. Now let's render it to see the preview. Now there's another way to use it. Hide your main footage, take a snapshot, hide all the footage, then place it on the top track, unhide your main footage and change the blend mode of your snapshot. Now let's render it to see the final preview. That's it guys, this is how you can create this super amazing double exposure magazine cover in Filmora 12 very easily. If you like this tutorial, subscribe to my channel or hit the like button. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.